Fabric is like an entire industry under one roof. We offer education in many different forms, including consulting, classes, one-on-one lessons, all sorts of opportunities to learn from each other. So education is really a base here. We also offer design development. That means technical design like flats and specs and pattern making and samples or prototypes, material and trim sourcing, pattern grading or sizing and marking. We also offer manufacturing, specifically no minimum cut and sew manufacturing of nearly any type of sewn product, except for shoes and other hard goods and tubular knits. We also offer community and connections. So things like a fashion industry business directory where you can find all the other fashion businesses and network with each other. A job classifieds page where you can post jobs or find jobs. An events calendar where you can post your events or find other fashion events to participate in or to watch. A newsletter where you can stay informed on all of the opportunities that we know of for you, things like the jobs and the events and the opportunities in the classes. We also offer business assistance, so business development and startup, office space, studio space, a maker studio where you can make your own products if you want to. We even have branding and marketing services like logo design, websites, social media help, photography, videos, audio production, if you want to do a blog or a podcast. We even have studio rentals. We have photo studios and video studios and audio studios. And we have events. We can host your event. We have an event space and a runway. We also do our own events, so you can participate in fashion shows. And we offer event coordination and all the equipment that you need for your event, including the sound and the lighting and the tables and the tablecloths and the chairs and everything. So look no further. If you're starting a fashion brand, you can find literally everything you need at Fabric.